guys, we're about to go on this trail that my dad just created today. Is that a car, Dad?
Yeah, that's Andre's car.
What? What's Uncle Andre's car doing right there?
This car been here for about 5-6 years.
What?
He lived in the apartment. When they moved to that apartment, he couldn't take it.
He couldn't take it?
Yeah, because you can't keep cars that aren't registered at most apartment complexes.
Oh, yeah.
And registered. If not, they'll know.
Look, over there.
Yeah.
Oh, baby, the first riding lawnmower.
Yeah.
What happened to it?
The motor blew up.
Oh, man. So instead of selling it, he just wanted to sit there, the car?
Well, until he comes picks it up. He says he's eventually going to pick it up.
Oh.
It's still soft because I dug it out today.
Yeah.
So it's going to get hard. I'm going to run over it a few times and pack it down.
Okay. You went pretty far back?
Oh, yeah.
Did you knock down anything?
Yeah, knocked down some trees.
For real?
Uh-huh.
Oh, wow.
I told you that tractor is your dad's toy.
It's a nice little nature walk.
Yeah. There's some,
What?
No.
What's she gonna say?
Well, I said I'm not going to say it. You're recording.
Yes, I love nature. You hear the deer?
It's a nice nature walk.
Yeah, it is.
Back there by myself.
How long do you think this trail is, Dad?
So far, about a mile.
For real? Wow. Ma, you could run back here. Run a little mile.
Where our property line
I gotta
is.
get my mower and mow all of this stuff down.
What do you think, babe?
Huh?
Our property line.
2 more acres. I don't know. We're probably walking about to the back of it now.
Really? Wow. Mama hooked y'all up, huh?
Yep. A lot of land. Huh?
So it's smoothing out a little better now.
That's good for the long haul.
Yeah, good to own land, that's for sure.
Yeah, for sure. Y'all could like sell it if y'all want to.
Yeah, but we ain't going nowhere.
I'm just saying, land is very valuable.
Yep.
Oh, this is nice.
I can't even see the house.
Before I did this, it was all like that.
Wow.
Wow.
That way. Then back towards the house. Then you could be looped.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's perfect because it's in the woods, you know.
I think I pushed that tree over. I pushed these trees over.
Oh, you just had fun back here. Wow. Wow, babe. You are always back here.
You're just a nice little walk, though.
It's starting to come around now. It started heading that way.
Oh, yeah, they're starting to go up again, babe.
Get my mower out. I would have hooked it up today, but I got that box plate all hooked up for Saturday. So. Be a nice little trail.
This is very nice.
Nothing like nature.
Yep.
Tractor back here without trying to make a trail. I got lost.
Alright guys, so that is the end of the vlog. I just wanted to share with you guys a little bit of Jersey. That I'm from the country. Every time I say I'm from Jersey, people assume that I'm from up north by New York, like the city, but no, this is country Jersey where I'm from. So you got to see it. So stay tuned for the next video and make sure you subscribe to my channel for more videos. Have a great day.